Hello there, my name is Michelle and this is my love story. This happened a few years back when I was 33 years old. And if you can spare a little time, please take a moment to listen and share your thoughts as well. But please, don't judge me. I was only in love. What I'm about to say is difficult. I am no longer his lover and I've loved this man for as long as I can remember. He completes me. He was my source of happiness. He and I were living together for almost 5 years. Though we were not married or engaged, we were a couple. Every Friday, he would take me on a date. I love Japanese food, and he loves McDonald's. Our likes when it comes to food are direct opposite, but we both agree on what shows to watch on Netflix. I make his breakfast before he goes to work, and he pays me with a passionate kiss. I was so happy that he appreciates my way of expressing my love. My sweet smile, my warm kiss, and my teddy bear hugs. But what we were will only be memories of what we had. And he made it clear to me he's never coming back. And now, I am broken. It hurts me to think that the pain I am feeling right now is not something I expected. I was so sure of my fairy tale ending, but my supposedly happily ever after became a disaster. And when we finished our meal, he gently grabs my left hand and looked at me straight in the eye. That is when I knew who took my place. He told me he no longer loves me, and he's in love with someone else, someone younger. He showed me her picture, and she had blue eyes, and her hair was red. I was devastated, and I was in such a wreck. Though I knew this would happen, I still had hopes that what we had will never end. From the restaurant, we went straight home to our apartment. My emotion and mental state was not in the right place as he was driving us home. I was quietly listening as he was telling me he's moving out the following day. I want to say something to hold him back, but I don't know what words I should say. So I kept silent, pretending I was okay. When we arrived home, I saw that his clothes were almost completely packed. I guess his moving out was perfectly planned. And I asked him if he can still be with me for one more night. I took off my clothes, and he said yes. I felt delighted by what just happened. I enjoyed each minute and each second. And after we finished, I helped him pack and we went to bed to take some rest. But I felt disturbed, and I could not sleep. There's something bothering me. So I wake him up to have my peace. And after he opened his eyes, and before he could say a single word, I stuck a knife in his throat. And as I stood over beside the bed, watching my love fade away, the screams inside my head calmly disappeared. And I must say, I love how our relationship ends. Thank you for listening. I hope I didn't scare you. What else could I do? I was deeply in love. And if you found this video interesting, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Your support will inspire me to share more stories with you.